Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a process video for you in my Traveler's Notebook. For this spread, I will be using the March Good Life collection, which is available at Pixel Scrapper. And it also has an ocean add-on, which I will be using a little bit of in this case because I do have these lighthouse photos. These photos are Pigeon Point on the coast in California in between San Francisco and Santa Cruz. So a very scenic spot to stop and take some photos. And I will be sticking them here in my notebook today. So this is a regular traveler's notebook that I bought, I believe, from Felicity Jane. And then I took the staples out and stuck in some plastic pockets. And then I think I stuck the staples back in. So a pretty easy little hack here to get some fun pockets in the notebook. And this collection does have that fun lighthouse included. So I don't usually go for themed collections or things if I'm going to buy scrapbooking products. Like, I don't really like themed items just because I don't really use them very often. My scrapbooking is more just like, you know, regular photos from the day. I don't do a lot of themed scrapbooking even at the holidays. There's so many, you know, fun Christmas or Halloween kits that are out there, but I just don't have that many photos that really suit themed occasions like that. So I tend to prefer more generic things when I'm creating and when I'm buying things, but every once in a while, you know, there are certain themes that I get more use out of. We do live near the ocean and have lived near the ocean for a while, so ocean themes are useful to me. That's really it. You know, it's really the only theme that, you know, maybe as my son gets a bit older, I might look for some more kid themes, but even then, I don't know. I haven't used a lot of baby stuff for him since he's been born, so I'm guessing I'll probably just stay with my regular kind of generic scrapping. So that was a lot to say there about themes, but it was something that kind of took me a while to realize, both for what kind of scrapbooking I like to do, and so it's helped me to kind of focus on what kind of things to buy and also what kind of things that I like to make, which is why I started making these Good Life bundles, because that's really, you know, I do a lot of scrapbooking every month, both digital and hybrid like this, and just the more generic really the better for me. So hopefully there are some other people out there who also enjoy a good generic themed kit. So I've just gone ahead here and I've stuck some sequins in this pocket, and then well, I think I'm going to stick some more sequins in here. I'll see how many I can get in, and then I will, here we go, close it up with my fuse tool. I am not really great at using this fuse tool. Like, they sent this ruler thing, and whenever I try to use the ruler, it's a disaster. I think in this time, like, the tip even came off and I had to screw that back on. So I don't know. Luckily, I'm not a perfectionist, so if I have to go over it like 10 times and just kind of like, I don't know, it's never pretty when I do it, but I do get the sequins in the pocket, which is what I really care about. So, you know, and they only fall out sometimes. So if anyone has any fuse tool tips, I'm all ears and ready to give something a try. So I've got my pocket closed up here, and now I will work on getting in my different layers with the photos here, and then add in some embellishments, and these layouts will be finished. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.